Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is a CCW exclusive from yours truly, Roger Lloyd. And this one is called How to Market Your Services in the Dog Days of Summer. Now, we've just had our little spring rush from like April till June, actually, till right before July 4th, right? Well, that's great. The money starts coming in, people are calling, we feel like we're alive again. But this is the thing, carpet cleaning, like anything else, is seasonal. So, what you want to do is you want to be ready for the season. So, how should you market in the dog days of summer? Hence the word dog. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm in Pennsylvania. So this time of year, all the way up until maybe the middle of September or so, it's going to be hot. We're going to have some of the hottest days this time of year. So what I found out is from my California connections, the guys in the group here, they said, oh no, Roger, it gets hot out here too. So what we know when the heat rises is what? Odors start to come out as well. So, yes, we know that we're carpet cleaners, but we just don't want to advertise carpet cleaning, not for the next 60 days or so. We want to advertise odor removal. So, I just want to show you some quick things to help you out. Let's take a look at this right here. All right, you guys know about my marketing folder. I give this to all my clients, all my first time clients. Now, the one thing that I'm going to point out in this folder when I get there this time of year is this. This is my pet odor brochure guide. And let me see, I can't let you guys see too much of it because this is for sale and it's not fair to the guys that purchased it. But I'll blow it up a little bit so you guys can see. So it has my information right here, my phone number, the name of my company, my website, all that good stuff. Then it has all my services, and then it has a little cartoon picture of me under my logo. And it's very important if you guarantee your services to put that on all your advertisements. Then right here, we have the little beautiful girl with the little dog on some good fluffy shag carpet. And then it says, if you are replacing carpeting because of pet odors, BioClean has a solution. And then it goes into some more of my sales jargon. All right, let me get off of this page here because I don't want you guys to be thinking this is a freebie here. It's not. This is really to help you guys understand. But now we're going to show you the inside. Now, this is the whole edge cleaning process that I keep trying to tell you. And the guys that have bought my marketing package, they tell me how this piece of marketing right here is the most essential to my whole package. I disagree with that, but hey, it is a big portion of it. So let's look at the inside here. All right, it has a lady holding her nose here, right? And what's it say? The pet odor removal process. A lot of people are skeptical because they think if they can't remove the pet odors themselves, that the pet odors can't come out. So it says the pet odor removal process. Step 1, locate the contaminated areas. This is where you need to have a black light and a moisture meter. This really is impressive and it'll make you more money. Also, pet urine causes odors when it's dried and leaves bacteria contaminated deposits in the carpet. Deposits range from very small to large or entire room size and are not easily seen by the naked eye. All right, so what am I trying to do here? I'm trying to show you guys in a nutshell how you can really market and make some money with this marketing material right here. This has been one of my best sellers in my marketing package. Now, let me try to bring this up some. If you look over here in the right-hand corner at the bottom, it shows the different layers of flooring, the carpet backing, the pad, and of course the subflooring. See, it's very important, ladies and gentlemen, if you're trying to sell your services and you want to be, you want to be taken seriously, you want people to understand why they should hire you. This is a very essential piece in my residential marketing material that I offer the industry because it helps you be the professional and be able to explain to your clients in a visual manner why they should hire you. And not only that, pay your prices. All right. So this is all the material that you show them when you arrive. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, Roger, all that's good, man. But what should I do when to get these people to call me? I just told you, this is the dog days of summer. So yes, you do want to have the material so you can get the people to call you that have pets. So what you want to do is you want to market on Facebook and social media. And this is what I have to offer the carpet cleaning industry to help these pet owners call you. So right here, this is my Facebook post for my company. So if you take out my information and put in yours, you will see this is a very impressive piece of marketing right here to anyone that has pets. It has the dog up at the top. It says BioClean pet odor cleaning. You notice I'm not just talking about carpet cleaning because the next 2 months, they're not interested in carpet cleaning. They're interested in odor removal. So you need to show them through your Facebook advertising and pictures and images like this, things that they can relate to, like the before picture right here with all the pet poopy stains in the carpet, and then the after picture right here that a carpet is nice and clean and fresh and ready to go. See, these are the ways that you want to make some good money over the next couple months. See, what you have to understand that carpet cleaning is not something people care about. It's seasonal. It's very seasonal. So what you have to understand is you want to put it on Facebook so it's easy for them to get to you. You want to put it to them in their face. If they call you from Google or you have a chance to go in and do an in-house estimate, you want to have all your materials that shows them why they should hire you. And this is it. So I wanted to show you over the next couple months how you right there that's watching me right now can make a lot of money in so-called carpet cleaning, but actually odor removal. Now, let me tell you something. There's good companies out here that you can really get some good pet odor products from. You have one of my favorites and friends. You have Soap Daddy's line of cleaning agents. He has a very good pet odor removal product, topical treatment called P-Sore. P-Sore from mysoapdaddy.com. If you guys don't know about P-Sore, I'm telling you should go to mysoapdaddy.com and get you some right now. It is a topical application. It is only going to take care of the surface of the carpet, but it will work, and it'll remove some of them pet stains, them real ugly yellow pet stains as well. Now, if you need to go a little bit deeper, then you want to get some products called OSR, which is what? They're one of the best oxygen pet stain removers on the market. Soap Daddy makes one as well. And then you have CTI. They were the ones that have been making it forever. So you want to get some of these products and you want to stack up on them now. You want to call my office at 484-420-7220, and you want to order you this marketing material. Then you want to call, or you want to order from mysoapdaddy.com. You want to get you some P-Sore and some OSR, or you can go to CTI Pro's Choice out in Rancho Cordova, California. I know I butchered the name up, but hey, I'm from the East Coast. Forgive me. But anyway, it's CTI Pro's Choice or mysoapdaddy.com. They have a very good range of pet odor products. You want to stack up on this. You don't have to go to the real expensive companies and big shots like Legend Brands and all that. I'm telling you, Soap Daddy, CTI Pro's Choice has what you need for the next couple months to get you some real good pet odor removal money. And then call my office, 484-420-7220, and get this marketing material. And then we can also make you one of these Facebook deals here so you can really get some clients off of Facebook. Remember, everyone else is just putting before and after pictures for carpet cleaning out right now. You're not going to do that. You're going to attack them at the source. Odor removal. These are the dog days of summer. You want to make dog day money. Call my office today. Ask Janae to get you the the residential marketing package, and then let her know if you want the Facebook ad too, because we can do that for you as well. It's at 484-420-7220. Remember, it's up to you. It always was, and it always will be. Now, what are you going to do about it? That's the question. These are the answers that I wish someone had gave me almost 30 years ago. You take care now.